one is a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, now what is bearish engulfing pattern? A bearish engulfing pattern, let's come to the part of the diagram side. Here you can see it is just opposite of the bullish engulfing. The bearish engulfing is also consisting of the two candlesticks. The first is a white and the second one is black. So firstly we have the white candlesticks, and the next one we have the black candlestick. Okay, here it was a long term reversal, means it was going to reverse towards the sell side in the market. The body is must totally engulf the black body. Okay, the black body is must be engulfed by the white one, means by the So basically it will be appearing in the uptrend market. Okay, because when the market is in uptrend, it will be create a kinding of high peaks or the kinding of resistance level in the market. Okay, so from that the higher peak or from that the higher level in the market, you will find these bearish engulfing. And according to the trend continuation, firstly we have the long bullish Marabuzo in the chart. Okay, in the market, which one having the kind of upper and lower shadow, and this candle is must be engulfed by the bearish one, bearish Marabuzo. Okay, and when the bearish Marabuzo is going to engulf from the top to bottom of the buy candle, this will be treated as a complete bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, till now here everyone, are you able to understand? Hello guys, response.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please keep on responding. Otherwise, I will be, not able to tell anything like in a proper way, because it creates a lot of confusion for me that whether going to understand, able to understand or not. So after appearing this bearish engulfing kind of pattern, you will take your trade towards the sell side. Okay, it will be a kinding of a candle pattern which were always appearing in the kinding of resistance level or in the kinding of support level. If you will have a problem in finding a kinding of higher high peaks and the lower high peaks, if you'll able to find it, apart from that, if you will able to find these kind of patterns, okay, in the higher highs and higher lows, it can be assumed as a resistance and support. This was a market is an uptrend. Okay, and we will have a bearish engulfing, like this one is a buy candle, okay, with a higher shadow and the lower shadow, and these prior candle will be engulfed, okay, will be engulfed by these bearish candle. This bearish candle will be engulf the buy candle from top to bottom. Okay, so this one will be treated as a bearish engulfing, and market will be continuously step towards the downtrend. Now again the piercing line. Okay, and what is the piercing line? It was also a part of candle double reversal candlestick pattern. It was another type. The piercing pattern is actually made up of, it is also made up of two candlesticks. The first black and the second one is white. The both candlesticks should have a fairly large bodies, and the shadows are usually but not necessarily, means shadows can be formed or cannot be existing. Okay, it can be a shaven head. The white candlestick must open below the previous close or close above the midpoint of the black candlestick's body. The close below the midpoint might qualify as a reversal but could not be considered as a bullish. Just as with the bullish engulfing pattern, the selling pressure forces the security to open below the previous close, indicating that the sellers are still on the upper hand to open. However, the buyers step in after the open to push the security higher and close above the midpoint of the previous black candlestick's body. Further, the strength is required to provide a bullish confirmation to this reversal pattern. So what we can see in the market, piercing pattern is basically for the buying side. Okay, just note it down. The piercing pattern is just for the buying side. Now, what is piercing? Piercing is means a kind of pinching you can see, and when you're going to pierce in any of your in any of your in anything like of your nose, in kind of ears, when we're going to pierce. Okay, so these kind of piercing is will going to apply it same in the market. Okay. So market will basically as usual will sets to in the downtrend, as these are the candles for the buying zone. Okay, so the market will be sets towards the down zone. Okay, same characteristics, and the second one is also same. These are going to appear in the support level of the market. Okay, it is just like an engulfing pattern, but little bit different from that. Okay, and it was be just more familiar with the bullish engulfing pattern, as you can see in the market. The first one we have the sell candle, and then we will have the buy candle. So it will be most familiar with the bullish engulfing. But what is the basic difference here? If you notice that in engulfing pattern, the last candle going to engulf the first candle from the top to bottom. But here you can see in the piercing pattern, it will be appearing, it will be covered the real body till the half of the candle, the first candle. For an example, we will have the sell candle here in the piercing pattern. Okay, because according to the trend, the sell candle will going to appear first. Okay, whether it will be have a upper shadow, and whether it will be going to a have an upper shadow, whether it will be going to have a lower shadow. Okay, and you will also notice that how these candles are going to form. In the selling candle, the sell candle will always form from upside to downside. So this one is the open, this one is the close. Okay, so apart from that, when the when the last candle, like when the previous candle, apart from this previous candle, when the sell buy candle is going to form, because it was a piercing pattern. So when the trend is going to end, okay, when the kind of downtrend will going to end in the market, we can see apart from the contrast, and when the trend is going to reverse, we will see a buy candle. Okay, and the buy candle will forming from downside, because the buy candle will always form from downside to upside. So these buy candle will going to fall from the little bit downside from these candles, and going to cover the half of the real body of the previous candle, means the sell candle. The buy candle will going to cover the half of the body of the real body of the sell candle. Okay, and leave the 50% of the sell candle in the upper side, and cover the 50% from the lower side of the sell candle. Okay, and then after these buy candle, the market will going to reverse towards the upside. This was the kind of piercing pattern, and you can apply these patterns in any of the chart frame apart from 15 minutes. Just ignore 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute, and 1 minute chart. The rest of these you can apply in any of the chart frame in any of the market. Okay, till now everyone clear? Are you guys clear till piercing pattern?
Ma'am, this piercing pattern is a bit confusing actually.
Yeah, it was a kind of confusion, but let me take you to the market. You will come to know.
Okay.
Yeah. So this was in the kind of gold chart. Okay. So here you can see, look, this one is a kind of piercing pattern. Okay. Look, market is in downtrend. Okay. The bearish candle will appear. Okay. But apart from that, the buy candle will also appear, and it will cover till half of these body. It will it will have to complete till half of the sell candle. Okay, it will always cover like this, not the full one. It will always cover the previous candle till half. Okay, and then you can take the trade towards the buy side. It will called a piercing pattern when the previous candle will appear in the market and the last candle will cover the market till half. Means the previous candle will have to cover till half. So this one is a kind of piercing pattern. This will be also a kind of piercing pattern. Look. First, according to the trend, we have the bearish candle, and the buy candle will cover the previous candle till half. Means the buy candle will have to cover the sell candle till the half. Means not the whole, it will cover only the half portion of the sell candle. That's why we are calling it piercing. Piercing means cutting the candle till the half of it. Are you getting my point, Samson? Hello? Okay, guys, let's take these class till today. I will ending the class till here. Okay, we will complete the rest of the part tomorrow.